I guess what should we look at first? I guess yeah, scroll up to the top and then you'll see click on actions and then click on view templates. Check that out. Scroll down. So these are the Iris templates. I might call it Iris workflows. But we'll get to that later. Scroll down.
Have you
Yeah. Oh
clicked
yeah.
it now?
Deploy powerful AI workflows in minutes. Choose from our collection of pre-built templates designed by experts for real-world automation challenges. So this is where we're niching down on specific use cases. So we're building specific templates for specific use cases.
You'll see.
Food cost forecaster, menu optimization agent, creator outreach agent.
What is this beginner intermediate?
I don't really have an answer for that right now. I guess complexity on setting them up. So click on yeah, so each one has its own landing page. Isn't that genius? Because remember how we were talking about making a company for each specific use case, or like, remember we were talking about creating a landing page for each feature, or for each use case.
Wait a sec.
Do you get it?
This might be crazy.
Bro, we can launch new templates fast as fuck. I can go to ChatGPT, show it the structure and be like, hey, create me 10 templates. And then I import those 10 templates and then we have 10 new templates. Like we can move at the speed of light. So all we're doing is, so what's happening is this is like the workflows, right? The original V1 workflows. But the reason why this is 10 times better is because I can't really explain it, but the agent to agent handoff, this is what that is. So instead of us creating a whole new website or creating a whole or finishing the initial workflows feature, what I did is I just made the chat bots be able to make API calls and do shit. You know what I'm saying? So like it can check your Google Drive and audit your Google Drive, or it can pull your Dropbox and audit your Dropbox and save you storage. So it can do all that. But it's doing it at the agent level. So instead of it being like, okay, let's make this API call to this, it's like we're importing these templates as blocks to their memory, that knowledge base. You get it? So whenever you go back into the shit, you click this, or this right here is a collection of memory blocks, workflows, and agents. You get it? So this is basically just importing that group of all those into your dashboard. So then you have like 7 agents all trained on a certain job, whatever it is. You have the memory blocks added into the memory, so that into the knowledge base, so that it's trained on how to handle or go about certain things. And then you have it imported as a workflow. So then you can just do the agent handoff, and the agent handoff will pass off the task from agent to agent. So yeah, that's how that works. But close this real quick. Go back, click back. Something is wrong with the templates. It's only some of them that do this, but go back, click close, go back one more, and then look for the declutter. That one's working 100%. And I got to figure out why the others aren't working. Yeah, declutter my cloud, and then click on start decluttering. So yeah, check this out. Click import.
I don't even have a cloud.
It's okay. Successfully extracted. Created all 3 workflow steps. Demo, workflow, imported. Bam. So now go to, so yeah, there, scroll down and you see how you have all, like it created a new project and then it created 3 new agents. Or I guess 2 agents for you.
2, yeah.
But then see, if it gave you 2 new agents, now you can't use the others. You know what I'm saying? Because you haven't upgraded your account. So that's like incentive for people to upload or upgrade.
Yeah. Okay. I dig it. So you really just gotta shoot hella demo video.
That's why I kept telling you. That's why I texted you earlier in the week, and I was like, bro, we just gotta sell this shit. Cause like it's done. I don't know what to say. Like us trying to test shit is a waste of time. Like, I mean, no, it's 100% needed, but like we might as well sell while we're testing, or test while we're selling.
Okay, let's see what else there is.
So if you refresh,
whoops,
if you refresh it real quick, The new update should have just deployed, and it should have agent to agent handoff working. All right, go to the blocks.
The hell is the blocks? This.
Yeah. Oh, give it a second. Exit page. Fuck it. All right, just reload it.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. One of the investors, I'm kind of
Do you?
cool vid. Let's do demo next week. Yes, agentic tooling to external APIs, secured credentials via. Yeah, this is. Guess what? I sent the video demo. That video that I sent, or I put on Instagram. I sent it to a couple investors, and they're fucking with it, bro. They're fucking with it. Yeah. So, and what I realized, like, I don't know. I don't think we need investment. I think we need to get our shit together. I think that's what it is. Like, there's a couple things we need, but I'm more saying, like, one, we need to get some sales, and I think it needs to be undeniably, like, easy to pay for this. I don't know. We need to figure out that upgrade process and the pricing and all that shit, because, all the work I've done for the past couple of months, it's definitely 100% necessary. And I think we fucking revolutionized our pricing, but I still think that our pricing is off. Like, I think we fixed and changed to a new formula of pricing, but I still think the numbers inside of that new formula are off. But I think the formula is correct, because now we're able to, like, handle small prices, and we're able to handle big prices. So, and we're also we can basically limit usage based on different account types.
Yeah, okay.
So, that's what I'm saying. Our new formula is great, and it's way more flexible than how we had it before, where it was just like 2 prices and that's it, because that was kind of fucking us. But now we have 4 prices, and we can basically split features up based on the usage level, rather than just being like, oh, if you have a paid or a non-paid account. So, but I think we need to do a little bit more work on the pricing. So yeah, I think we need to work on pricing, and then make sure that our upgrade process feels really good and natural, because even with that, we need to make sure, like, we need to be able to give this out for free for people to demo. I think the paywall is actually kind of a bitch, like, people are kind of, I don't know. I think people are getting turned off at the paywall.
What's the paywall?
If you share your screen, I'll show you. But it's basically just the packages, the pricing.
Share my screen. It's shared.
Oh, stopped. Helion.
Windows.
Because I've already started outreach, and outreach is great, because outreaching to one person is better than outreaching to 0 people. And I have been outreaching to 0 people lately. And so today I kind of, like I said, I outreached to a couple people. People are fucking with it. But out of the couple people I fucked with, what
are you sending?
Right now, I sent the video. I sent the video that I posted on my Instagram. I just sent that directly to people in iMessage. So that, I feel like the clips are good to get people in,
Yeah.
The reason why I think that is because on Instagram, the whole reason why I'm even interested in all this AI shit is off of Reels. Like, the shit, like, people are going to probably ask me, like, oh, how did you learn how to write AI, or how did you learn how to build AI? And back in the day, I would tell people, yeah, I learned this all on YouTube. Guess how I learned how to write AI?
Instagram.
Reels, yup. Reels, bro.
Yeah, my cousin's doing that shit now.
For real?
Yep.
That's crazy. Yeah, man. So, yeah, I've learned all this shit on Instagram Reels. And so what I'm trying to say is, like, we can use the same philosophy of, like, short form videos to market to people, to at least get them interested, or get them, starting to understand this. So, like, all the people you want to try the site, I think we should send them small little videos, like, or even you forward them my profile, forward them my story.
I can do that.
So yeah, I think outreach is kind of figuring itself out. You just fix pricing, because people are like, all right, yeah. See, so first off, you have this account.
Why is this punk calling me? The hell you want? I went home because I didn't know where I was going. It's a whole college campus, bust. I swear. Yep. Yes, I did. I had a backpack and everything. I walked to my garage and everything. I literally walked to the gas station Got in there, I was like, man, I don't know where this thing went. It didn't respond to no address, so I just drove back. Yeah. All right. Anyways, back to work.
All right, so look. Um. Okay, so let's start off with the first thing. Let me show you a multi-agent chat. Okay, let me show you multi-agent chat. Let me show you the leads. So remind me this: multi-agent chat, leads, and then we're gonna look at pricing. All right. All right. So check this out.
What?
First things first.
You need to share your screen.
No, you're good. I want to see yours. So, okay. So click on the icon at the bottom, the block icon at the bottom. Bam, cube. I just call everything blocks, whatever. And you know what's funny is like they're called memory blocks. And you know what's funny is like I'm kind of moving towards where I'm trying. You know, now that all the technology is squared away, I need to figure out the name for all the shits. And I'm renaming. Wait, where the fuck is it? Hold on. Oh, it didn't deploy? Oh, hold on. Basically I'm renaming the knowledge base to be memory, and I'm calling it memory blocks because, you know what I'm saying, you know, real nigga shit, like we're on the block. 100% dead ass, like I'm not even kidding. Like I'm on the block. So you can like chat with your agents on the block. So it's not deployed yet, but we'll just keep going. So we'll just look at leads first. So go to contacts.
Contacts, leads.
All right, now click on add lead. All right, now click on AI assistant at the top. Okay, now type in a lead or some shit.
Oh gosh.
Not, or you can just talk to it. Click on the microphone. Well, you're on a call with me. See, yeah, try it. See if it works.
John
Talk on the
from
microphone.
ABC Corp email, whatever.
No, you see the microphone in the chat box?
Yeah, I see it. Jose from Verizon. I don't know his email, but his number was 236-123-4567. Was looking for graphic design. He had a budget around like $3,000.
I pray to God to keep me safe. Click process with AI. Look at that.
Wow.
It filled out the. You see that shit?
Yep.
Scroll down. Look at the notes. Look, it added tags. Looking for graphic design. That's hard.
What is current value? Their value?
That was his budget.
No.
So I don't know. It really should say. It should say, but like it should put it at the min and max. Current value is if they've confirmed it and said this is how much I have.
Gotcha. Okay.
So click save. Oh, we're still requiring email. I need to fix that. Oh, you know what? I know why. Okay. It's supposed to not ask you for the email if you already have the phone.
Save lead.
Did you click it?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it's not working? Well, I'll fix that.
Cancel works. Else.
All right, let me fix that real quick.
So you can create leads.
Okay, so
Met a guy named Daniel Cuts from Daniel's Fades. That's the company name. His email was danielcuts@dannyfades.net, and his phone number was 123-456-7890. Maybe that's too many numbers. I don't know. But
I have a lead. I'm trying to create. Wait. I'll just fucking type it. What am I? I was trying to be fancy like you and use the.
oh, well, you're doing one?
Yeah. So yeah, what do you think about this system?
I can't see.
No. I'm just saying this lead system.
I think it's cool, convenient for sure.
We just need to. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I've probably put 20% of actual design into this and love. Like I don't know how to explain it. Like I haven't given this any love at all.
20% of your attention, maybe.
Basically. And I keep wanting to, but I don't know why. I don't know, man. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like I need to work. This is probably going to be our biggest moneymaker too. Not because of people using it, but mainly because like this is gonna make us the most money. Us using this.
Oh, you know what? Well, that list of leads that I made in that other thing, maybe I need to transfer them over,
They should be still there,
and then
right?
you can outreach to those people.
Yeah. Real quick, try and add another lead. Or real quick, right click and click on inspect element or inspect element. Yeah. Should be at the bottom. And then click on console. That very first tab. Bam. And then you can click on that right next to it, the blue device and phone button. You can click that. There you go. And then scroll down. Try and add that lead again on AI assistant.
Actually add it or no?
The form is still user provides the phone. Then we okay. What did you say?
Nothing.
Oh yeah, do the AI assistant again, and then and then do it, and then try and submit it, and then if it gives you an error in that the thing below on the, or to the right, then copy that and send it to me.
John Smith from ABC Corp. Email john@abc.com. Phone number was 555-123-4567. Was looking for web development services and had a budget between 5,000 to 10,000. Seemed pretty interested. I got his Instagram, which was at Creative Studios _NYC. It's a design studio needing video help and has a flexible budget. Wow, they recorded you too.
You know what's crazy is it's using it's called OpenAI's Whisper. So the audio transcription is way better. Like it's very, very accurate. It's crazy because it uses regular transcription, but then it also uses AI on top of it. So even if like you say something and you kind of like mumble it or like you don't say it or it doesn't make sense, it'll probably autocorrect itself and assume what you were trying to say.
Yeah, it's not working. I don't think it is.
And you click save lead.
Yep.
Click it again. What the hell? It's not even trying. Oh, scroll up. You have everything. Manual entry. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so let me see what that could be. Owner of a coffee shop. Name is John Smith. Budget around $10,000. Very interested in coffee shop stuff. Yes. Okay, mine is giving me an error if I don't put the email, but it looks like there's already an email. So then I click save lead. And it saved it.
Oh.
It saved it. Scroll down even more, and nothing is happening.
Nope.
I know what's happening.
Please enter a valid phone number. Maybe that's it.
I mean, I think I know what it is for. It's on some dumb shit. I know exactly what it is. Click.
No, it was the phone number.
You sure?
It just worked.
What was it saying on the phone?
Please enter a valid phone number.
And it showed you that in the interface?
Yeah.
Do it again. See, healthy score. Your score went up.
Okay, had to look at the lead.
Scroll down. Right there. John Smith. Oh, click on the close on the side panel. Yeah, we don't need that shit no more. All right, scroll over. See, I should make them like a block, like a, I don't know. I need to make this design a little better. But it's on the right. You got to scroll to the right.
Yeah, this is definitely weird.
I should put beta. I should put the words beta on there.
How do I make it open?
You get that one or click close. Close on that. Click the sign right there.
What sign?
The eyeball. So this is where I built a lot of functionality into this, but I haven't actually, like I said, we need to actually square this. That's what I'm saying. I know that this is some bullshit. I know it's doing some bullshit, and I know exactly what it is. And it's only happening on whatever thing you're on, like Windows.
This number works.
So we're gonna have to do a lot of testing on this. Maybe I should put the beta flag on it.
Yeah, probably.
Is beta equals true. All right, bam. So just like that, I was able to bam, bam, like that. Feature. Shit. All right, so that's on its way up. All right, so while that's way up, let's hop over to the other side. Okay, go ahead and refresh real quick. Everything's about to change for you, my man. Damn. All right, click close. Go to memory. So what do you think about that? Should we allow people to still use the site even if their trial's expired?
What do you mean?
You know, because look, you're still able to use the site even though your account's expired. You know, but at the same time, we also got to provide value.
If you're giving it away for free, in a sense, then yeah.
So maybe we should limit them to maybe only X amount of projects.
Yep.
Like, because I think there's value in giving people, like, you can give people a brokey version. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think brokey, you know, we got to put that song brokey on and really think about this shit. Like, brokey, like, how would they be using this?
Or they get one
And
or
it's
two
like-
leads, or like, you know, one or two uses of each.
Yeah, what's a brokey gonna do, like, to make $1 million? Like, they're gonna have to, like, delete agents every single
Yeah.
time. Be like, oh, let me create a new one real quick, you know?
Yep.
So we gotta think about the brokey. You know?
Sounds about right.
Ghost is forever gonna have that account.
When I was a YN and I had my first MP3 player, and they could only hold like 10 songs, instead of going to get a new MP3 player, had to delete songs and add one or two on there.
Yeah, bro. It's like, yeah, man. Or even just like you trying to get a Netflix, you know what I'm saying? And it's like you just creating a new free trial and a new email for like a whole year straight. 30-day free trial, 12 emails. Yo, honestly, that'd be such a lick. Like, what if you had a website, right? And then you just started selling people like a year's worth of Netflix
That's
for like
crazy.
$20, you know? And then it's like, here's 12 emails, 12 passwords, 12 logins.
That's not a bad idea. It's probably
That's a lick.
a hassle.
Man, I bet you that would have been a hit back in the day, but Netflix cracked down on that shit. All right. So,
Oh,
Would that be-
laptop is hot as hell. That's what's going on.
all right. So, but yeah, I mean, so we got to have that brokey version. And then what do you think about, like, so if they do have the brokey version, that'd be crazy if we called it the brokey. You know what I'm saying?
It'll be funny.
That'd be funny as hell,
I don't think
brokey.
it'll be. If you get it, it wouldn't be offensive.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So, like, wait, what the hell? Why did it freeze?
I went to. I had the FL logo.
Oh, I need to do something about that. Scroll down and look at those prices. Oh, click the trial expired at the top. Scroll. So I think we should get rid of the 15. I think we should get rid of the 15. I think we should lower the 35 to 25.
Get rid of it completely or make it free.
All right, let me run it back. Actually, I think we should make the 35 the $25 package, and the numbers right there should make sense. And then I think that we shouldn't go lower than 25 on any of this. Or should we do 35 all across the board?
What do you mean all across the board?
35 for everyone.
That's a lot to give away. But you know what? I don't know.
No, not for everyone. My bad. No, we still have these 4 packages, but I'm saying we get rid, like, okay, 15. Wait, scroll down.
Because
So
Google charges $10.
for what?
Their AI assistant. Found this out at Verizon yesterday.
Okay, so we can do 25.
I don't even know what all comes with that.
Let's go look at it real quick.
Bro.
Open up a new tab. Just say how much. You know what? Yeah, just do that. How much does Gemini, or how much is Google's AI?
$20. So the pricing isn't bad. $250 per month.
So 19 and 250. So go back to ours. The hell? Wait, go back. What was that? Profile edit. Okay. Yeah. I know. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I think we should we make it 25 $250 and then we scale up higher, I think we should do like a $500 pack. Maybe like I think the enterprise should go up, you know? Like I think professional should be the $250 package.
Yeah, probably. That'll make sense.
So what do we say for the so do we say that so should we make the 15 the free?
Yeah. Maybe a 30-day trial or something. Knowledge base, AI agents, contact management. Okay. But how many AI agents does it come with?
Scroll up.
2. I mean, I guess you make that free. Maybe make it 2 workflows as well.
Yeah, because if you do this, then your multi-agent chat is only two things. So workflows are basically projects, but does it make sense to say workflows? Because if you look at workflows, that's more attractive. But once you get into the dashboard, it's really just projects. So I mean, it's fine if we keep it word it workflows. Now that I think about it, so larger memory, we should allow them to have larger memory sets. So even like, I think we should also add in something about memory, because like you see how I renamed it from knowledge to memory. I literally just deployed the update, so it doesn't say knowledge anymore. But I think like we should incorporate memory, right? And it's like, okay, we're giving you bigger memory on the bigger accounts. So I think we should. Huh?
Still says knowledge.
No, yeah, it says it here, but like click out of that, close it, and you see where it says memory.
Yep.
Yeah. So now we have they're called memories. See,
I wonder if
it says add a memory.
Declutters the cloud.
Technically, yeah, it can. So click on it.
Technically.
I'm going to show you how to do it.
I don't have a cloud.
Well, real quick, refresh real quick. Close. So we're kind of hopping around, but we're still on focus but basically click on click on that driver. Actually, just go to the chat. Just click on the purple square at the bottom. Chat. Oh yeah, you can just press Alt O. I forgot about that. All right, say can you get started on this? And say can you mention the other agents and get started on this project? Bro, I'm creating super intelligent agent systems. Wait, what the fuck is going on? Why is it not mentioning the other agents? Say yes, hand this off to the other agents. All right, so look, agent swarms and the agent handoff shit is still in beta. All right, I just finished it at like 4 o'clock. So let me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Okay, there it is. Bam. You see that? Ah, see? It's almost working. It's almost working. The agents need to have they need to have the APIs set up. Yeah. But we're that much closer. You see that shit? So what you would have to do is click on you're gonna have to go to your agent and then edit the settings, and that's where you would add your Google Drive integration, and then you would add your Dropbox integration, and then they would scan and do what they need to do. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Fucking crazy.
Crazy as hell, actually.
And see how it used the @ sign to mention the agents?
Yeah. I actually want to see that shit at work.
It's gonna happen.
That's a video you gotta shoot.
I mean, that's why I built this demo, because I'm gonna make it work. Click on the yeah. So that's multi-agent. I just wanted to show you that.
Yeah, cool.
What do you think about that?
Cool.
It's fucking crazy, right?
Yeah.
Fucking crazy. All right, so now let's go back to I'm still kind of like oozing at that shit right now. I'm not gonna lie.
See that shit in actual action.
All right, then how about this? Okay, so log out of this and log into admin, and then use the QWERTY or QWER1234 password.
Bro, I'll just watch you do it.
No, you got to do it on yours. Or
Do it.
yeah. Let's just, all right, yeah. Admin at freelabel.net.
How the hell do I get to Iris?
Freelabel. We're excited to introduce Iris AI,
The hell?
our newest platform.
Bro, they're gonna be one day. They're gonna like.
What?
Can you hear me?
Barely.
Oh, yeah, his namespace is going fucking crazy right now. Yo, this is fucking crazy. This is fucking crazy. All right, bro. You know shit's always good whenever people just start hitting me for I don't know, man, just for anything. All right. Okay, Iris Elon Summer Takeover. Is it that one? 5 leads? That's not right. Fuck all that. Hell no. Okay, contacts. Okay, it says leads are in beta. Cool. Okay, I need to add a lead in here. Wait, do I already have this lead in here? Hold on. I have a lead. His name is Alex Gem. He is a musician that we did events with back in the day. He's really dope. He has a group called Loose Temper Music Group, and
What
he wants
the
to
hell?
do events in Austin with us at Bathe, the Cold Plunge Lounge for social club that we have, and we're doing events at. So he wants to be a part of that, and we're gonna do Tiny Desk style performance recordings and stream them live and put them on YouTube. Bam, just like that.
How do you know him?
You know Alex Jim?
I went to school with him and Jamarian. They're like a grade underneath me.
Bro, stop lying.
Swear.
Bro, shut up.
Yeah, they're like they graduated 08.
Bro, I'm over here just working. What are you talking about, bro? I'm just adding people into the leads. What do you mean?
I've been.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Bro, I've done events with them a long ass, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Dude, I actually seen these niggas not too long ago.
What? Dude, I had a whole ass event with them, and like we made t-shirts, we had them perform, all that shit.
Yeah, small world.
That was one of the most legend. That's insane. Trying to find the event. Look, I'm gonna send it to you on Instagram.
Dude.
You see that shit?
Yup.
2014.
Yep. Alex Jemerson and goddamn Jamarian.
Dude, that's insane.
I wonder if they still do music.
They just said I just messaged him. He just messaged me right now saying I asked him for speakers, or I posted on something about my story about speakers, and he said he had some, and I was like, oh, I'm good on speakers, but I was like, that'd be dope for an LMG Loose Temper Music Group reunion, and he's like, yeah, let's do it.
Wow.
So I was literally adding him into the leads right now, so I don't forget him. That's crazy, man.
Oh, that's Militia.
Yeah. Militia, I think I got Militia was one of the other. It was a showcase, so it was like one producer and then the other was Loose Temper. So it was Militia and Loose Temper. Those were the only artists on the bill.
Oh yeah, Ribs. I remember that guy.
I have another lead named Dima Semensky, DIMASEMENSKY, and he is a engineer and software sales guy or developer, digital solutions strategist, and basically he is. I met him at Board of Advisors event. He's a pretty big guy. Automates businesses powered by AI, blah, blah, blah. He is looking to connect with us. He's the one that had the dentistry with over 50,000 clients that he wanted to plug us in. I never responded to him because I was nervous as hell about everything being finished. So now that everything is good, I literally sent him the video of the demo that I posted on my story. I sent that to him like an hour ago, and he's down and he wants to meet next week. So bam. That's funny. I was telling you, and I was also telling the AI at the same time. And it's crazy because I'm doing this on production. Like, this is real work. Like, this is not me testing. Like, I'm actually using it, you know? Fucking crazy. Hell yeah. Okay, so you fuck with the leads?
Yep.
All right, cool. So leads is all good. Oh yeah, you wanted to see the other thing in action. So click on where it says Iris Elon 2020 takeover. Or actually, no. Yeah. Go to the learning ecosystem. Let's do this real quick. I want to try something. Click on that first one.
What?
Learning ecosystem. Okay, now click on chat.
This for her?
Any one of them. Yeah. Any chat button, really. All right, now type in say I need a
Say what?
file.
Do
I need a course. Say I need to build an AI course for industry professionals, educators, like principals, say shit, something like that. I don't know.
industry what?
Professionals, leaders, and executives.
Hey, what the hell does this got to do with clearing cloud space?
No, this isn't. You're not on that board, and you're not on that project anymore.
Say what? You do what?
Say
do.
Say, can you hand off some of this work to some other agents? Say, I'll let you recommend. Go ahead and start it. Or just say, go ahead and start. I don't know.
Say what? I
Go ahead.
do.
Go ahead and run the fucking oh, you know what? Hover your mouse over it
I
and
did.
click the refresh. Click the retry button.
Retry button.
Hover over its response. Click retry. Yo, I'm such a gangster. I can't believe I built all this shit. Yo, hey, look, what the fuck? Just say, can you mention the other agents and tell them what to do to get started? Say, mention the other agents and tell them how to get started. Yeah, I'm actually giving you a horrible demo scenario. Honestly, because I don't know a demo scenario. Fuck. I actually, now that I'm thinking about it, we should have from the beginning said something like, build out a plan and then hand this off to the other agents. So bam, look. Demo agents, Olivia and Gastro. Thank you for the introduction and bringing us together. Thank you for the update. Sounds like a solid foundation.
So weird. Thank you.
Fuck. Okay,
Oh
I
my
think it's
gosh.
going on an endless loop. Fuck! Okay, refresh the page. Refresh. Ah, refresh it. Hurry! You're gonna burn through my tokens. Oh.
Wow.
Damn. Yeah, I got some more work to do, but damn, that shit. Yo, it's in an endless loop. It's literally in an endless loop.
Stop thanking each other. Get to work, bitch.
That's what I was worried about. I was like, damn, is this shit gonna keep going? I gotta figure out the chaining properly because that shit was crazy. I think it needs to wait, process everything, and then go, because right now it's getting a response from somebody else while the other response is still going, and then it just keeps going and then going and going. And then it actually gets super lost. And that's where I can, oh shit, that's what they're talking about, AGI. AGI is like where you make an intelligence that's so smart it just goes off the rails and starts killing humans. Yeah, that, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to make something like that. That's insane. All right, so the multi-agent chat obviously still needs work. Okay, let's try something else real quick. Go to click where it says learning ecosystem page with the drop down and change to the Elon Iris 2025 takeover.
Ouch. I go to what?
Click on where it says, like, you switch the project you're on.
Where the hell do I do that?
Learning ecosystem page at the top.
What about it?
Click on it.
What? Oh.
The drop down.
Yeah, damn.
Click on the very bottom one, Iris 2025. There you go. All right, and then click on memory. All right, and then open up the chat. Do Alt-O. See if that works. Oh, you know what I'm saying? What's up? What's up, Dan? All right. So go ahead and say...
Wait, what the hell? What are we even getting done right now?
We're testing 3 things. Multi-agent chat, the pricing...
June 26th.
And the leads. The pricing and the leads. So on this one, go ahead and say, tell me about my leads. Say, what leads do we have right now? Or what should we focus on for the leads? Or what leads are most important? Something, you know?
Say, what do I do? You do.
Say, which leads should we focus on? Or say, what leads do we have? Yo, switch the model and use Rod M.
Upgrade required.
Close that. Go to the agents. They shouldn't say that. That's crazy. Scroll down. Okay, why is it locking you out if you have Pro? Oh, that's why. It's not that you're locked out. Scroll down. Is there a Rod M?
Effing people isn't locked.
Okay, scroll up. And search Rod M.
It's right there.
No, I know. Scroll up. I want to see something. Click search. M. Or just type in Rod. R-O-D. What the fuck? I knew that was going to happen. Okay, so click chat. That's some bullshit. All right, click on the... Or just click retry again on that one. Okay, Rod M is using Qwen 3. It better be using Qwen. The fuck is that? Yeah, no, it's using Qwen. Hell yeah. That looks way better. Better responses. Smarter. Scroll up. Or, I don't know. Everything seems to be working. But the thing about it is working. You know what's crazy is now that everything is working, it's like, oh shit, okay, it's working, but now what? You know? We got more work to do. I think, you know, there's obviously a lot of work that needs to go into this to make these AIs smarter. But yeah, I think I got it's crazy because I think I got like obviously the framework of this is there, but there's still tiny tweaks that we need to make to really make this almost intuitive, super intuitive. So it's almost like design is like one beast. We need to get the design done and shit, but there still has a lot. It seems like there needs to be a lot more testing for quality at this point. Like it's almost like we're not even testing for bugs. We're like testing for quality, you know?
Yeah.
So I think we're definitely moving like into an actual QA. Like I mean, you know, QA is obviously finding bugs and shit, but now we're actually going to like, okay, let's really up the quality on not just the design, but like let's up the quality on like the actual the responses that it's generating. So yeah. Bam. So yeah, I think so what do you think about those two features? The leads and the multi-agent shit.
Oh, I like it. Shit. What you mean?
Can you say
What?
say can you create a plan and hand this off to the other agents? Say 2 other agents. You know what? I think what it needs to happen is like I need to tell the AIs that they have this capability. I think what's happening is like I'm having to let them know during the chat that they have the capability, and I need to just pre-train them and tell them like, yo, use this as much as possible. Like use the multi-agent chat as much as possible, you know? Because 2 things are going to happen. If we start tracking their usage, if they're using the multi-chat, bro, they're going to run out of usage in a fucking minute. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then they're going to want to upgrade. Okay, it's just fucking running at this. Okay, yeah, let's just fucking stop this. Refresh it. Jesus. No, close it. You have to refresh it. Refresh the page. Otherwise, it's going to run in the background. I got to figure some shit out for that. Because I don't even think that they know that they have the capability. So that they're going to keep... I need to make sure that they look and check themselves. All right, so I'll work on that shit. All right, let's move back on to pricing. And let's knock this shit out. All right, refresh the page real quick. Okay. Click close. All right. So click on I just thought about this. Do we even need that title?
What, email marketing automation?
Yeah, you see how it's twice?
Yeah.
You think we need that?
Doesn't bother me.
I think we should get rid of it. I mean, I don't want to get rid of it because it looks cool, but I'm kind of literally realizing it might be redundant because we already say which thing it is in the drop down.
You barely even notice the drop down.
I know, but if we got rid of that big ass part, you'd probably notice the drop down more. Like right click on it and click inspect element. Yeah. No. The right click on the top part. The email marketing automation, the big, yeah. Right click, inspect element. With your coder ass, you see where it says elements on the side?
Elements.
The tab where it says console network elements on the side.
Yeah.
Okay, right below elements, click on that. But scroll up a little bit. You want to click the parent. So scroll up a little bit more. Where it says div, right above the H2. Okay, actually one more higher level. Yeah, move your mouse. Cool. Okay, one more higher up. Bam! Click on that. Delete it. Click backspace. Now close it. How does that look?
It's cool.
It's sleeker, right?
Doesn't make much of a difference to me.
I mean, I think it kind of gets straight to the point. I think it's a little bit more professional.
I see what you're saying, but I don't know.
I know. All right, anyways, click on Pro. Yeah, at the top. I gotta scroll down. All right, refresh again. Okay, I think the 89 should be the 250.
Yeah, we already said that.
Well, I'm saying it out loud because now I have it up. I'm trying to change it. So 250 or 249, right? Or should we just say 250?
$249.99.
And then Enterprise is how much? 650?
1,000.
450? Bro, I think Enterprise should be a whole different class. What if we do Enterprise 2,500?
Go for it.
Because that's how much people are charging for that shit. Actually, hold on. Now that I'm thinking about it, unlimited workflows, unlimited context, unlimited AI chats. That makes perfect sense. That means we would install a. Oh shit, Chuck, we are gonna be billionaires. Oh shit, Chuck. Chuck. Okay, all right. How much is 60? How much should we be charging on a yearly basis for this?
On which version?
A big, just if we gave a copy for a company to install on their own servers and they have complete full control over it and access, like it's an open source version of it,
It's
you
gonna be a
basically get an
single
open
brand.
source. Exactly. I'm thinking 80,000, 60,000. What about, okay, so that's so funny. I opened up my calculator and I had this open from last week or a couple days ago. I was trying, because I saw somebody else just cash out on $92,000 and I'm like, how the fuck do I cash out on $92,000? And I reverse did it and it said $7,000 a month. So maybe, I don't know. Like I think 5,000, 7,000 a month. 5,000.
Okay, run 5,000.
Or huh?
Run 5,000.
How much is that a year?
60.
You're right. Because some of our competitors, they're charging around 5,000 just for install. So if we're giving this out and we do 5,000 a month, then that means we can take on the enterprise clients, right? And if we take on the enterprise clients, then that means we can charge that much, and we can just install this on their fucking servers. So they're not even using our resources. You know what I'm saying? We just give them a copy of Free Label.
Yeah.
And that can be for like government contracts. So like, you want to see something fucking crazy? I didn't even show you this. So I guess now that we're here, log out real quick and then click on the iris again. The block.
Here's my block.
Yeah, at the top. Now scroll down to tailored solutions and then click on iris offline. Read that though.
Yeah.
Click on it.
Can. Let's get long.
Learn more. Scroll. So look at that. Deploy powerful AI capabilities in secure environment or internet-free environments. Complete and local processing with enterprise-grade security and real-time performance. And then look at the clients. Look at the use cases. So we would install it locally. We'd configure their models. We would make sure that all their data is secure, and they can attach all their stuff, securely. And then we would scale and monitor their stuff. So scroll down. Look at that. Government and defense, healthcare, financial services, manufacturing, legal, energy and utilities. But you see that? Defense and military.
Wow.
You see that shit? Damn. But yeah, okay, so yeah, what do you think about that? So, that's where our enterprise package can come in for Iris Offline.
Yeah, it makes sense.
So there we are. So what's up? You know what's funny is you'll never know Free Label's pricing unless you create an account. So our competitors will never know how much we charge unless they create an account, which is not that hard, but you just can't scrape the website and find out how much we charge. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing.
The hell?
All
Okay.
right, so
yeah. Damn it. I gotta get ready for
I guess log back in real quick.
work. I gotta get ready for work.
All right, real quick. Let's just look at the pricing one last time because I put the 5,000 one up. Log in.
No, my email is
admin@freelabel.net. QWER1234.
gotta go to work. Who doesn't want to go to work is me.
What the hell? All right, so just click on Pro at the top.
Starter
There it is.
0.25.
Call it Brokey. Does that 5,000 look crazy?
Yeah, it does.
I think it looks stupid. It looks like it's looking at me. Too many zeros. Bro, that's going to be a lot of nines. They're going to be like, what'd you take that dollar off for? I mean, I don't want to... What do we say? 5,500.
Bruh, can we get one customer first?
I think we need to cover taxes on that shit. So 5,500. What about 6,500?
Wow. Still gotta pay taxes.
6,500 on that.
The more you pay, the more taxes.
So we got to raise the price even more.
The more taxes you pay.
Raise it up even higher. I'll one up you taxes. All right, so we got the natural language processing in there. No, we don't have email. No, we don't have import ready. Leads free trial. Free trial is good. figure that shit out. Leads. So I guess okay, here's another question. During the free trial, do we just keep them at the starter? Or on that 7-day free trial? Because right now the way it works, and this is just because it's unfinished code, but the way that it works right now is like you get a free trial and then you're on the starter, you only get 2 agents, right? But then your trial ends out and then you still at 2 agents. So it's like when we have the trials, should we just let them have fully unlimited everything? Then what's the difference between the trial and the fucking thing? I think we should allow them to have an upgraded, like if they're on a trial, we should allow them to act like they're on.
Why not? You gotta do it anyways.
Hey, I'm just thinking out loud. All right, so let's do it. All right, so 5,000 for Iris Offline makes perfect sense because then we go out and install it on there, and then we could be like, okay, cool, yeah, okay, cool. So yeah, so we need to fuck. All right, so what? All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. Let me fucking get these. Let me get more content up on the Free Label Instagram. Let me put enough content up there so that we could start.
Getting interest leads.
Yeah, but also figuring out which ones are actually trending and actually pop, and then let's put ads behind that. I'm probably gonna put like, I don't know. Do you think you can match me on that shit? We could go half and half.
I don't know. Depends on how much.
50, like, we could start off low, super low. I'm talking like $50.
That might be possible.
Yeah, I just need a commitment because they don't charge us until later. They don't charge us until I don't know. They charge us after we start the ads. So if anything, I could just put a $50 budget on there and then we just run it for the next week or so,
Yeah.
And then we just go half on that or some shit. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I like we need to at least have an ad budget. But there's no point in putting the budget in if we don't know what content we're gonna put the ad in. So I'm gonna fucking start running. Like there's already posts on Free Label that are kind of moving right now. So I'm just gonna figure out which ones of those we're gonna actually run ads on. So we'll run the ads, and then we're gonna follow up with all these leads and just keep enhancing our lead generation system. So yeah, you down?
Yep.
Let's get it.
Sure.
I have a show. Hit me.
All right. Shoot.
All right, later.